The high-stakes legal drama involving a pregnant woman in Texas and Supreme Court's announcement that it will consider restrictions on abortion pill mifepristone are latest unwelcome reminders for Republicans that abortion rights will be front and center ahead of 2024 elections. The Supreme Court's decision last summer in Roe v. Abortion has become a dire political issue for the GOP since Wade overturned his case, which has been a boon for Democrats, lifting them to a string of election victories on the issue and trimming their losses. Abortion rights are seen a key unifying and motivating issue as 2024 heats up. Especially Republicans seek to restrict access to abortion rights at a time when President Biden's approval ratings are falling and his party is badly divided over Israel's war in Gaza. Medical service tensions across the abortion aisle were on full display last week after the Texas Supreme Court blocked Kate Cox, a pregnant woman whose fetus was diagnosed with a fatal condition, from having an abortion. Cox left the state to get an abortion just hours before a Texas court rejected her appeal. Biden has already tried to use the case as a cautionary tale against ruling Republicans and former President Trump, the Republican Party's presidential nominee. I don't think they can escape this, Republican strategist Liz Mair said of next year's White House candidates, adding that recent Texas case underscores the importance of issue. While the president's party is largely united on abortion access, Republicans are more divided internally over what anti-abortion policy would look like. Democrats are going to want to make this a major issue in the general election. GOP strategist Matt Mackowiak said of abortion, arguing that while Republicans have an advantage on issues like immigration, Democrats are winning on that front. We are going through uncertain times where there is no great consensus within our party on how to move forward, Mackowiak said. The reason we're not on the offensive is because we don't have a message on this. And we don't have a message because different states handle this issue differently. At GOP's fourth presidential debate stage, held in Tuscaloosa, Iowa, earlier this month, 4 participating candidates discussed insurance and gender-affirming care. But issue of abortion was not brought up by any of candidates. Discourse or questions from moderators. But at 2 presidential town hall events with CNN last week, Florida Gov. Ron DeSantis and entrepreneur Vivek Ramaswamy faced questions about the latest headlines on abortion. CNN's Jake Tapper briefed DeSantis on the Texas case, in which Cox, 31, petitioned state court for a legal exemption for an abortion, arguing that the 20-week-old fetus was diagnosed with fatal condition. You could jeopardize Cox's future fertility and jeopardize his health. DeSantis responded by saying, "These are tough cases," noting that 6-week abortion ban he signed in Florida earlier this year.